Join me as I try to capture the most breathtaking moments of butterflies on flowers. Can I get the perfect shot? In this video, you will discover the stunning beauty of butterflies as they interact with vibrant flowers, showcasing nature's most captivating floral encounters. Many people overlook the crucial role butterflies play in our ecosystems, particularly in pollination, which is vital for the survival of many plant species. Butterflies are responsible for pollinating flowers, just like bees, and they do it in a unique way. They transfer pollen from one plant to another as they feed on nectar. This process is essential for the reproduction of many plant species, and without it, our ecosystems would be severely impacted. Butterflies also act as indicators of environmental health, as changes in their populations can signal broader ecosystem issues. Unfortunately, many butterfly species are facing threats such as habitat destruction, pesticide use, and climate change, which affect their populations and the ecosystems they inhabit. It's essential to raise awareness about the importance of butterflies and the challenges they face, so we can work together to protect these delicate creatures and their habitats. Butterflies are also important for seed production, as some plants rely on them to disperse their seeds. This is especially true for plants that have evolved to attract butterflies, offering them nectar in exchange for their pollination services. The relationship between butterflies and flowers is a perfect example of mutualism, where both species benefit from each other's presence. As we delve deeper into the world of butterflies on flowers, you'll begin to appreciate the intricate details of their interactions and the beauty that unfolds. You will explore various types of butterflies and the flowers they are attracted to, highlighting the colors, scents, and environments that facilitate these enchanting encounters. From the majestic monarch butterflies to the striking swallowtails, each species has its unique preferences when it comes to flowers. Some butterflies are drawn to bright, bold colors, while others prefer more subtle hues. The scent of flowers also plays a crucial role, as butterflies use their sense of smell to locate nectar-rich flowers. As we explore the different types of butterflies and their favorite flowers, you'll begin to appreciate the diversity of these interactions and the beauty that they create. One of the most fascinating aspects of butterfly-flower interactions is the way they adapt to their environments. In tropical regions, butterflies have evolved to interact with flowers that bloom for only a short period, while in temperate regions, they've adapted to flowers that bloom for longer periods. This adaptability is a testament to the resilience of these creatures and their ability to thrive in diverse ecosystems. As we explore the different environments where butterflies and flowers interact, you'll begin to appreciate the complexity of these ecosystems and the beauty that they create. Experience the breathtaking moment when a butterfly lands on a flower, revealing the intricate details of their interaction and the beauty that unfolds in slow motion. The gentle touch of the butterfly's wings, the delicate sipping of nectar, and the intricate dance of their antennae make for a mesmerizing display of nature's beauty. As we slow down time to appreciate these intimate moments, you'll begin to appreciate the complexity of these interactions and the beauty that they create. The way the butterfly's wings reflect the light, the delicate petals of the flower, and the subtle colors of the surroundings all come together to create a visually stunning display. The beauty of these interactions is not just visually stunning, but also crucial for the survival of our ecosystems. As we appreciate the beauty of butterflies on flowers, we're reminded of the importance of preserving these delicate creatures and their habitats. By protecting the ecosystems where butterflies and flowers interact, we're ensuring the survival of countless plant and animal species that rely on them. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of these interactions and the importance of preserving them for future generations. In conclusion, the importance of butterflies in our ecosystem, the beauty of their floral encounters, and the need to protect these delicate creatures and their habitats cannot be overstated. As we reflect on the beauty of these interactions, let's remember our responsibility to preserve them. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of butterflies on flowers. I hope you've enjoyed this captivating display of nature's beauty. If you have a favorite butterfly or flower experience, please share it with me in the comments below, and don't forget to check out another video on nature's wonders.